Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make some delicious snacks. It's so easy to make and so delicious. Let's make it. We need 1 cup of small pieces mutton, it's boiled, and 1 potato is mashed, half cup of chopped onion, 2 tablespoons green chilies chopped, 2 tablespoons parsley, 2 tablespoons green mint, and 3 slices of bread. One teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, and mixed all together. I'm using 2 tablespoons water for binding the balls. Okay, make some small balls. Smooth the edges and it's ready. Okay, we need an egg. We are going to egg wash them. Fry them until golden brown. Our chops are ready. This looks so delicious and yummy. It's perfect for evening snacks, breakfast or tiffin. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Until then, bye bye.